open and close my curtains, they always seem to get snagged on the rod where the extendable part is, and it's so frustrating. So I'm trying it out with you guys. I got this new drapery tape. It's supposed to act as a barrier, so when you open and close your curtains, they won't keep getting snagged on that part where the rod extends. So I'm hoping that this works out. My only concern with the tape is whether or not you can see it. I want a solution, but I also don't want an eyesore. So I'm hoping that this is something that will make it easier to open and close, but won't take away from the design at all. So let's just get started and figure this thing out. The only problem that I was having is that the rings that I have are really small compared to the rod size, like they just fit. So trying to get the tape underneath all the rings was a little challenging. I probably shouldn't have peeled off some of it just yet because I kept sticking to the rod, but I think that's the only issue. If you have bigger rings, then you shouldn't have a problem feeding the tape through them and just making sure you attach it to the very end of your rod. Because if there's any space between the tape and the beginning of the rod, I think it'll still catch or snag. So let's just see. I haven't tried it out yet. Let's just see if it opens. Before this was horrible, but now it does not catch at all. This is so smooth. Oh my gosh, look at this. Yay! I'm so excited. After researching, there's so many people that have this problem, so I hope that I'm giving you guys a great solution. It definitely is for me. I can't wait to do this on my other curtains. But as for right now, let's do this right size. As you can see, trying to open it, it always catches where the rod extends. Obviously, if you spend money and invest money in some nice curtains, you don't want to be pulling and yanking on it. I wish I would have found the solution earlier, but let's go ahead and complete it so that you guys look at this. Y'all remember how hard it was to slide these curtains? Now look at this. Look at this, and it just slides so smoothly. Like, oh my gosh, so much easier to open and close. I have to replace this hook because of just all the tugging and pulling. I just cannot stop sliding this. Oh. Yo, we did it. We found a solution. Like, you cannot even see where I placed the tape, which is amazing. You guys are gonna love this. I'm gonna have all of the information for this tape on the screen. It was $11.49 when I checked last for 12 feet of this tape. So just keep that in mind. It's the perfect, inexpensive solution, and I hope you guys find this helpful. If you do, like this video and comment below and tell me what you think. I'm almost certain you guys are going to fall in love with this hack. Let me show you guys an up close and personal look right now though, because I want you guys to see what it actually looks like and where I place the tape. Gliding.
Some gliding. Look, nope. Still think you can see. Okay.